Aloha and welcome to the Travel Tips channel. Today we take you on a journey through the top 10 places to visit in Hawaii. Hawaii is a beautiful state with a rich history and culture, and there are many amazing places to explore. Hawaii is the only U.S. state made up entirely of islands. It consists of a chain of islands in the Pacific Ocean, with 8 main islands and numerous smaller ones. From stunning beaches to lush rainforests and majestic mountains, Hawaii has something for everyone. Let's take a look at the top 10 places to visit in Hawaii. Waikiki Beach is located in Honolulu on the island of Oahu. It's one of the most famous beaches in the world, known for its white sand, warm water, and perfect waves for surfing. In addition to swimming and sunbathing, visitors can enjoy many activities such as paddleboarding, parasailing, and snorkeling. Pearl Harbor is a historic site located on the island of Oahu. On December 7, 1941, Japan attacked the U.S. naval base at Pearl Harbor, leading to America's entry into World War II. Today, visitors can learn about the history of the attack at the Pearl Harbor Visitor Center and visit the USS Arizona Memorial. Haleakala National Park is located on the island of Maui. The park is home to the dormant Haleakala volcano, which stands at over 10,000 feet tall. Visitors can drive up to the summit or take a guided tour to see the breathtaking views of the sunrise or sunset. The park is also home to unique plant and animal species, such as the endangered Hawaiian goose and the silversword plant. Hanauma Bay is located on the island of Oahu and is a popular spot for snorkeling and diving. The bay is a natural preserve, home to a variety of marine life including sea turtles, colorful fish, and even dolphins. Visitors can take a guided snorkeling tour or rent equipment to explore on their own. By the way, Hawaii is the most isolated population center on Earth. It's located about 2,390 miles from California, 3,850 miles from Japan, and 4,900 miles from China. The Na Pali Coast is located on the island of Kauai and is one of the most beautiful coastlines in the world. The rugged terrain includes towering sea cliffs, deep valleys, and secluded beaches. Visitors can explore the coast by hiking, taking a boat tour, or even helicopter tour. Waimea Canyon is located on the island of Kauai and is often called the Grand Canyon of the Pacific. The canyon is 10 miles long and up to 3,000 feet deep, offering stunning views of the island's interior. Visitors can hike the trails in the canyon or take a scenic drive to see the breathtaking vistas.
Mauna Kea is a dormant volcano located on the island of Hawaii.
The summit is over 13,000 feet tall and is home to several world-class observatories. Visitors can take a guided tour to learn about the history of astronomy on the mountain and enjoy stargazing on a clear night. Akaka Falls State Park is located on the island of Hawaii and is home to the stunning Akaka Falls. The waterfall is 422 feet tall and surrounded by lush rainforest. Visitors can take a short hike to see the falls and enjoy the natural beauty of the park. Molokini Crater is located off the coast of Maui and is a popular spot for snorkeling and diving. The crescent-shaped island is a marine preserve, home to many different types of fish, coral, and other marine life. Visitors can take a guided tour to explore the underwater world or even go on a glass-bottom boat tour. The road to Hana is a scenic drive that winds along the coast of Maui. The road is 64 miles long and takes visitors past stunning waterfalls, beaches, and tropical rainforests. Some of the must-see stops along the road include the Black Sand Beach at Waimea State Park and the picturesque town of Hana. Hawaii truly is a paradise on earth, and we hope this video has inspired you to visit some of these amazing places. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to the Travel Tips channel for more amazing content like this. Mahalo for watching, and we'll see you in Hawaii.